Hey friends, in today's video we'll learn how to record audio for your YouTube video. Also do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. A lot of times you might be doing some tutorial videos like I do in this series, or you might be having some videos shot outside and you want to add some commentary to it while creating your vlogs or tutorial videos. So I use a tool called as Microsoft Clipchamp. It's a free tool. uh, you can also use the mobile recorder, but the point is it's difficult to sync, right? So just go to Microsoft Clipchamp, try for free. There are paid versions also, but not required for recording audio. So I'll just click on create new video. Now over here you can import your actual video for which you want to add the audio. So for some basic purpose, I will add one video which does not have any commentary, right? And now you can just add it over here. Now the point is you want to add commentary over here. You can just click on record and create. Now you can see there are multiple options, screen and camera. So that means you can record using screen and camera, but for this video we'll just click on audio purpose. And now you can enable the audio, whichever mode. If you have mic, you can select the mic. I'm using a mic, so and just click on start recording. Now you can open the video and parallelly give commentary, and it will keep on recording. In the free version, you can do maximum limit of 30 minutes in one recording. You can do multiple as well, so there is no issue. Just click on pause or stop to end it, and once it is done, you can just add the recording over here. It also gets saved as a file. The recording gets saved. So this is the recording which has got saved, and you can use it separately as well. You don't need to add any of these videos, but you can add videos and add commentary to it as well, right? So that's the way you can record the video for free, and you can export this whole, or you can the anyways the audio file is recorded for free and downloaded over here automatically, right? So this is the way you can use and record audio for your YouTube video. If you have any questions, drop in the comment section. If you like the video, do like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't.